Welcome, food lovers and adventure seekers. Today, we're taking you on a culinary journey to the heart of Morocco, to a city that's a gateway to the Sahara Desert, Errachidia. This isn't just a place of stunning landscapes, it's a treasure trove of incredible street food. So, grab your virtual passport and let's dive into the delicious flavors of the Tafilalet region. First up, the king of Moroccan street food, brochettes. Imagine this: succulent cubes of beef, lamb, or chicken, perfectly grilled over sizzling charcoal. The vendor gives them a generous sprinkle of cumin and salt, and you can get them either on a stick or stuffed into a fresh, crusty baguette. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Right next to them, you'll often find Kefta skewers. This is minced beef or lamb, expertly seasoned with a symphony of spices like cumin, paprika, and coriander, then grilled to perfection. It's smoky, savory, and absolutely irresistible. Now, let's talk about the magic of Moroccan bread. You absolutely have to try Msemen, also known as egg beef. It's a flaky, square-shaped flatbread that's both chewy and crispy. You can have it plain, but the real treat is the stuffed version. Imagine that flaky pastry filled with a savory mixture of spiced ground meat or a simple yet delicious blend of onions and herbs. It's the ultimate comfort food on the go. Another bread-like delight is Harcha. This is a dense, crumbly flatbread made from semolina, cooked on a griddle until it's golden brown. It has a unique, slightly gritty texture that's incredibly satisfying, especially with a bit of cheese or honey. Looking for a quick, hearty bite? The Maakouda sandwich is your answer. Maakouda are deep-fried potato, fritters crispy on the outside, fluffy and soft on the inside. Street vendors will pop a few of these into a baguette, add a generous dollop of spicy harissa sauce, and you've got a cheap filling and incredibly tasty sandwich. Speaking of sandwiches, you can't miss the Moroccan boucadillos. These aren't your average sandwiches. They come in a fresh baguette and are packed with all sorts of delicious fillings: tuna olives, crisp salad, hard-boiled eggs, and even grilled meats. It's a full meal in your hand. For our vegetarian friends, the Zaalouk sandwich is a game changer. Zaalouk is a rich, smoky salad made from cooked eggplant and tomatoes, seasoned with garlic and spices. Served inside a warm baguette, it's a creamy, flavorful, and completely satisfying option. As the sun sets and the air gets a little cooler, there's nothing better than a warm bowl of soup. And in Morocco, soup is a serious business. You'll find vendors ladling out Bissara, a thick, hearty soup made from dried fava beans. It's creamy, earthy, and usually drizzled with golden olive oil and a dash of cumin. It's a popular breakfast, but honestly, it's perfect any time of day. Of course, we have to mention Harira, the most famous Moroccan soup. It's a rich blend of tomatoes, lentils, chickpeas, and fragrant spices. While it's traditionally eaten to break the fast during Ramadan, you can often find it year-round. It's a warm hug in a bowl. For the more adventurous eaters, I present to you babouche, or snail soup. Yes, you heard that right. You'll see huge pots of snails simmering away in a fragrant spiced broth. Don't be shy, give it a try. The snails are tender and the broth is packed with a unique blend of herbs that's both medicinal and delicious. It's a true local experience. While we're in Errachidia, we have to talk about something the region is famous for: dates. The Tafilalet oasis is one of the largest date-producing areas in the world. You'll find vendors selling piles of fresh, succulent dates that are like nature's candy. They are sweet, caramel-like, and a perfect, healthy snack to fuel your adventures. Another simple yet classic street snack is boiled eggs with cumin. You'll see vendors with baskets of hard-boiled eggs, which they'll peel for you and serve with a little pile of salt and cumin for dipping. It's simple, protein-packed, and surprisingly delicious. Now, let's satisfy that sweet tooth. You can't walk down a Moroccan street without smelling the sweet scent of Sfenj. These are Moroccan donuts. But not like any donut you've had before. They are light, airy, and wonderfully chewy, fried to a perfect golden brown right in front of you. You can have them dusted with sugar or drizzled with honey, pure bliss. Another sweet treat you must try is begria, also known as the thousand-hole pancake. It's a spongy, yeasty pancake with a unique texture full of tiny holes, which are perfect for soaking up melted butter and honey syrup. They're light, delicate, and utterly addictive. And if you see a flower-shaped pastry glistening with honey, you've found chabakia. This deep-fried delight is soaked in honey and sprinkled with sesame seeds. It's crunchy, chewy, and intensely sweet, a true celebration of flavor, especially popular during Ramadan. For something a bit more refined, look for cob el gazelle or gazelle horns. These are elegant, crescent-shaped pastries filled with a smooth almond paste and delicately flavored with orange blossom water. They practically melt in your mouth. Of course, no street food tour in Morocco is complete without its iconic beverage, ate or mint tea. It's more than just a drink. It's a ritual, a symbol of hospitality. You'll see it being poured from a height into small glasses everywhere you go. It's sweet, fragrant, and incredibly refreshing. Another fantastic drink option is the fresh orange juice. Morocco is blessed with sweet, juicy oranges, and vendors squeeze them fresh to order. It's pure, liquid sunshine in a cup. And for a quick, crunchy snack, look for the vendors selling sugar-coated peanuts and almonds. Roasted and coated in a crispy glaze, they're sold in small paper cones and are the perfect little pick-me-up. While you're exploring, you'll also notice some modern influences. Many snack shops offer French-style tacos, which are actually more like a grilled stuffed wrap filled with meat, fries, and a creamy cheese sauce, and classic shawarma sandwiches. They're a delicious fusion of local and global flavors. So there you have it, a taste of the incredible street food scene in Errachidia. From savory grilled meats and hearty soups to delicate pastries and refreshing teas, there's a flavor here for every palate. Exploring the streets of Errachidia is a feast for all the senses. Thank you so much for joining me on this culinary adventure. I hope you're feeling inspired to try some of these amazing dishes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss our next journey. Until next time, happy travels and happy eating.